Hello. In this mini lecture, I would like to provide a brief summary of Chapter 1 from Baran and Davis' book, Mass Communication Theory, Foundation, Ferment and Future. Hopefully, this summary will help you to focus on important aspects from the chapter and help you with the reading in general. So the chapter opened with a discussion on Facebook. As readers, we are probed to question the social media application, not only as a corporation with its flaws and profit-oriented agendas, but also as a platform for our social interactions. One reason why Baran and Davis opened the chapter with a discussion on Facebook is because they want to show that just like every other research, a study on media or mass communication always starts with an issue that can be tackled with a number of approaches which provide multiple explanations. Now, before they discuss the importance of social research and their definition of a theory, Baran and Davis compared physical and social studies. They point out that we tend to trust and accept physical scientists and their studies, but we are quick to judge social scientists and their research findings. One of the key explanations they discuss is the logic of causality, which I would encourage you to read carefully. Unlike physical science, social science is not precise nor exact. Human behavior is complex and unpredictable, and therefore it is very difficult to apply the logic of causality when we study human behavior. From here, we begin to understand how Baran and Davis want us to think about theory. They cited Emery Griffin, who wrote that a theory is an idea that explains an event or behavior. It brings clarity to an otherwise jumbled situation. It draws order out of chaos. It synthesizes the data, focus our attention on what's crucial, and help us ignore that which makes a little difference. When discussing about social theory, particularly communication theory, Baran and Davis break it down to four major categories: post-positivism, cultural theory, critical theory, and normative theory. They also provide tools to examine each of these categories by looking at their goals, ontology, epistemology, and axiology. Now, I don't want you to be scared of these concepts. Instead, I would like to invite you to understand these concepts and why they are pertinent to understanding each of the four major categories of communication theory. Catherine Miller said that different schools of thoughts will define theory in different ways depending on the needs of the theorists and on their beliefs about the social world and the nature of knowledge. I'm not surprised if you will find yourself to be drawn to a certain category and not to others. Those who are trained in post-positivism with its quantitative approach may find cultural and critical theory hard to digest. However, I would like to invite you to dig deeper to these two schools of thoughts because, as you can see in the syllabus, throughout the course we are going to dive deeper into critical and cultural theory. Why, you may ask? The answer will be provided as we read more in the following weeks. I hope this mini lecture helped you to understand the key elements from Chapter 1 and encourage you to understand them better. Happy reading, and I look forward to your response to the discussion questions. Don't forget to also provide comments and/or feedback to your classmate response. Thank you.